Suportado naman ni BARM Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakuwa ang 50 piso na across-the-board wage increase para sa minimum wage earners ng pribadong sektor sa BARM. Personal na dumalo at sumaksi si Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakuwa sa paglagda ng Wage Order No. 4 sa Mole BARM Regional Office sa Cotabato City.
Bandera Live Report.
Yun ang pinakasimple na tanong doon. So, we are now talking of management and labor. Management and labor, kailangan magkasundo ito. Kasi kung walang labor, dihado ang management. Kung wala naman management, dihado yung labor. So, it's only proper na ma-regulate kung paano sila magkakaintindihan para walang dihado sa dalawa na yun. So, here is this tripartite board na sila ang bahalang nagmaman o di kaya paano nila i-arrange o di kaya magpagkasundo yung dalawa na yun. Kasi hindi Pinoy walang labor kasi walang din mangyayari sa management. In the same manner, kung wala namang management, wala din mangyayari sa labor. So that's why we are very fortunate and we are very thankful for this tripartite board to come up with this kind of increase in the salaries and the basic salaries, which I believe that consultations and all the other necessary for us to increase that is nangyari naman through proper consultation. So sa tingin ko maganda yung mga pangyayari ngayon sa BARM, and we are very thankful for this muli and the tripartite board for this development na nangyayari sa both in management and also the labor sectors.
Bandera Reports Afternoon Edition.